This session is designed to help you overcome emotional eating by identifying triggers and developing healthier coping mechanisms. Please ensure you are in a safe, quiet space where you can relax fully. Do not listen while driving or operating machinery. A full disclaimer is available in the description below. Let's begin. Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. I'm Jocelyn, and today's session is focused on helping you curb emotional eating by identifying the underlying triggers and replacing those habits with empowering, healthy choices. Emotional eating is often a response to stress, boredom, or unprocessed emotions. This session will guide you in exploring those patterns and gently reprogramming your mind to seek healthier ways of coping. If this session resonates with you, consider supporting Soul Hypno Vibe by buying me a coffee at www.buymeacoffee.com/soulhypnovibe. Your support allows me to create more life-changing content. Now, settle into a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or worry. Let's begin. Let's start by grounding ourselves in calm and clarity, preparing the mind to explore and release emotional triggers. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine a soft, soothing light forming at the crown of your head. This light flows gently down through your body, releasing tension and creating a sense of peace. Across your forehead, softening your thoughts and easing mental clutter. Down your neck, releasing tightness and allowing your shoulders to soften. Through your arms, letting the tension melt away as this soothing light flows down to your hands and fingertips. Feel your hands becoming heavy, relaxed, and at ease. Into your chest, filling your heart with warmth, compassion, and ease. Into your stomach, where it releases tension and brings calm to your core. Feel this light spreading through your abdomen, washing away any knots or tightness. Down your hips, softening the muscles and connecting you to a sense of stability. Moving through your legs, relaxing your thighs, knees, and calves. Finally, it flows into your feet, grounding you deeply in the present moment and connecting you to the earth. Now, imagine yourself standing in a serene forest. The air is fresh. The sunlight filters through the trees, and the ground beneath you feels firm and supportive. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more connected to this space, more present, and more at ease. Silently affirm, I am grounded, calm, and open to healing. I release stress and embrace clarity. I am ready to explore and transform my patterns. Now, let's explore the triggers that lead to emotional eating. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, imagine holding a journal in your hands. This journal represents the thoughts, feelings, and situations that often lead to emotional eating. Open the journal and begin to notice what's written inside. Perhaps there are moments of stress or overwhelm that push you toward food. Maybe feelings of boredom or loneliness appear. Or there might be unresolved emotions, like sadness or frustration, that surface. Observe these patterns without judgment, as though you're reading a story. Simply notice the common themes, the times of day, or the emotions that often trigger these behaviors. Now, imagine flipping to a blank page in the journal. This is your opportunity to rewrite the story. Instead of turning to food, what else could you do in those moments? Perhaps you could take a walk, journal your feelings, or call a friend. Maybe you could drink a glass of water or practice deep breathing. Or you might find comfort in simply sitting with your emotions, letting them pass naturally. Silently affirm, I observe my triggers with compassion and understanding. I am capable of choosing healthy, empowering responses. I am in control of my habits and my life. Let's begin reprogramming your subconscious mind to make healthier choices. Imagine yourself in a moment where you would typically feel triggered to eat emotionally. Visualize the situation clearly. See the setting, feel the emotions, and notice the thoughts that arise. Now, instead of reaching for food, see yourself pausing and taking a deep breath. Visualize yourself choosing a different response. Perhaps you step outside to feel the fresh air on your skin. Or you grab a journal and write down your thoughts. Maybe you close your eyes and simply breathe, allowing the moment to pass. Feel the power and freedom in this choice. Notice how good it feels to respond to your emotions in a way that supports your health and well-being. Silently affirm, I have the power to choose healthy, supportive actions. I honor my emotions without turning to food. I am in control of my habits and my choices. Now, let's anchor this newfound confidence and control deeply within you. Imagine a glowing, golden light forming in the center of your chest. This light represents your strength, self-awareness, and ability to make empowering choices. With every breath, feel this light expanding, filling your entire body with warmth and positivity. Visualize this light creating a protective shield around you. This shield empowers you to pause, reflect, and make choices that align with your goals. It reminds you that you are in control, capable of handling emotions without turning to food. Take a moment to picture yourself moving through your day with this light guiding you. See yourself confidently navigating challenging moments, choosing healthy responses. Feel the joy and pride that come from staying true to your intentions. Imagine yourself feeling lighter, freer, and more at peace with your body and mind. Silently affirm, I am strong, confident, and in control of my choices. I respond to my emotions with love and care. I am free from emotional eating and embrace my healthiest self. As we bring this session to a close, Take a moment to thank yourself for choosing healing, for taking a step toward greater self-awareness and empowerment. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll gently return to full awareness, bringing with you the calm, confidence, and control cultivated here. 1. Feeling the surface beneath you and the air around you. 2. Becoming aware of the lightness and strength within you. 3. Taking a deep breath, feeling grounded and calm. 4. Becoming more awake, present, and in control of your choices. 5. Gently opening your eyes, fully awake, fully present, and ready to embrace a healthier, more empowering relationship with food. Thank you for joining me today at Soul Hypno Vibe. Remember, every choice you make is a step toward the life you desire. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.